In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate products in WooCommerce. If your WooCommerce store has duplicate products, cleaning them up can make your catalog easier to manage and help avoid confusion for both you and your customers. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find those duplicates and remove them using a plugin directly inside WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your website, including plugins and product settings. Once you're in the admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and go to Plugins, then select Add New. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools to extend your WooCommerce functionality. In the search bar, type Delete Duplicate Products for WooCommerce. As the results appear, find that plugin in the list. When you've located it, click Install Now and then click Activate. Installing the plugin adds the duplicate detection tool to your site, and activating it makes it available in your admin menu. After the plugin is active, go to the New Duplicate Products section in your WordPress admin menu. This is where the duplicate scanning and review process happens. Inside this area, you'll be able to choose how the plugin should identify duplicate products. Next, select your preferred detection method, by title or by SKU. If your store uses unique SKUs consistently, SKU matching is often the more precise choice. If not, title matching can still be useful for identifying products that may have been accidentally added more than once. Pick the option that best matches how your store is organized. Once the scan results are displayed, take a moment to review the grouped duplicate products carefully. The plugin provides shortcuts that can save time, including page-level options like Select All, Keep Newest, or Select All, Keep Oldest. These options let you quickly mark duplicates based on whether you want to preserve the most recent version or the earliest one. Even with these shortcuts, it's a good idea to review the selections before making changes, especially if some products have similar names but are not true duplicates. When you're satisfied with the selection, open the Bulk Actions dropdown. From there, choose either Delete Permanently or Move to Trash, depending on how cautious you want to be. Moving items to the trash gives you a safer fallback in case you need to restore something later, while permanent deletion removes them right away. After choosing your action, click Apply to complete the cleanup. That's it. You've successfully removed duplicate products in WooCommerce and made your product catalog cleaner and easier to maintain.